Welcome to Candid Travels, Texas. Today, the tactical tip is going to be the be yourself tactic. What does that mean? In all that you do, whether it's martial arts or life or art, you're going to have a tendency to respect and maybe honor certain people that you might find that you like, and you're going to want to emulate them, which that's a natural thing. But you just have to remember, you're not that person, okay? So you have to be uniquely yourself. That is the tactical tip in ATX ITAC for today. All right, it's so simple. We'll talk a little more about that.
Look at this guy. He is definitely being himself right now. He looks different from all the other fish here. He has this like mohawk. He's got this big yellow mohawk. He looks very different from like this fish. But it's interesting, if you look at all these fish, every one of these fish, as you can see, are unique, just like us. So the martial arts combat tactic is be yourself tactic. Just don't compare yourself to anybody else. Look at him. Look how little he is. And this guy is multicolored. They're all coming to me. They love coming here, these guys. They love coming to this camera. And look, they're so different. They're gathering around me. Now I'm gonna. This one is so different from this one. Be unique. Be yourself. Look at this white fish right here. Look at that one hiding in there. We're all different. We're all fishes in the sea. And look at how little these little yellow ones here. But they all have their strengths. And look at this guy right here. It's so tiny. I got my Bucky's mask back on. A little more friendly. And so we are going to, in honor of being yourself, we cannot be somebody else. We might look like somebody else, but we're still us. We're still ourselves. So we're going to head out to, Master Allison drove us here, her choice, World Market. Now, I used to be buddies a long time ago when Heath Ledger lived in the Los Angeles area, or Los Feliz, Silver Lake area, and we always came to Cost Plus World Market. And because a lot of us are from, like I'm from Texas, with Taiwan background and a UK and Australian influence, and so there's a lot of products here that I can't buy somewhere else. There's German, there's so many things. So we're going to come in here. We're actually in, where are we, Stafford? Master Allison, Stafford. We're in Stafford, Texas. But these are all over the world. One of my favorite things that I buy at World Market is Australian ginger beer. And I hope they have it here. I'm going to show you where it's at. So over there, where it says Marketplace, that is where all the foods are. Bisque. What country is this from? US. And I don't know where it's from. That one, product of France. So this is whole chestnuts. It's French. Product of it's bisque. It's a French. So this is a product of France. And days of Advent wine. Jesus drank wine. There's more stuff in this one than in the one in Austin. There's furniture there too. Yeah, there's more. There's definitely more room here. World Market, yeah. In fact, Heath Ledger's house up in Silver Lake was almost completely furnished by World Market. Because it's inexpensive right here, and we get really good products from all over different countries. So it makes a lot of us who are not from like California or the USA feel more at home. And we're all from different countries. Wow, awesome Instapot glass lid so we can see what we're cooking. Okay, now we're approaching my favorite pot where the food is at. Here we are. I get to travel the world. I love it. I get to go back to the Aussie homeland. Let's see if I can find my ginger beer. All right. Is it here? I hope it's here. Rishi. Jasmine tea, chai, Yep, there it is. Okay, this, just to stop, Torani is from d'Italia. It's from Italy. Okay. Yep, and is my Australian ginger beer here. And there it is. Hey, Dean Kirkright, I know you probably laugh at me in liking Bundaberg ginger beer. You Australian family owned. I'm sure you're going to make fun of me on that one. All right. German product is Kinder Schokolade Mini.
What are you on?
I had this in Formosa when I was really little. It's rose and lemon Turkish delight. So as you know, Formosa is a very international place. So that is truly, is it really from Turkey? Let's see. It is imported. Oh, it's from England. Well, British people, I guess, those of us who are Britishy, we like Turkish delight. It's in The Lion, the Witch, and the Wardrobe. So we got rose and lemon, and rose, lemon, and orange flavor. And you have rose, pomegranate, lavender, and lemon. This is a Taiwanese green tea unsweetened drink. Yeah, it's from Taiwan. So there's all this. This is from Japan. Allison found mini pints, Guinness mini pints. Oh my gosh, they're origin produced in Ireland. There you go. How you doing there? I gotta say hi to you, my Irish friends. I gotta say hi to her. Ruth Kelly from Cork Island. Howdy. We are now leaving the Be Yourself. Thank you for joining us at Candid Travels, Texas. We're driving in the Memorial area in Houston. Shout out to Bill Bevins, who sometimes watches our show, who grew up here. He's my Bill Maxwell to my Ralph from Greatest American Hero. Anyway, I don't even know if he knows the show, but we're at Willcrest and Richmond. So it's kind of a nice area. All right, thanks again for joining us at Candid Travels, Texas. Just remember, you have to be yourself. Be an original, because that's how it is. All right. Around, nothing's ever gonna get us down from Karate Kid, a 1980s. Hey, this is a Cobra Kai car. Stop, and the owner was okay with me filming his car. And here we are, is a little bonsai trees, and it's the be yourself tactic. And we are in Nippon. Yeah, that's the Karate Kid theme, right? Oh. Woo! Thanks for joining us again, man, at Candid Travels, Texas. And we are at Benihana. Yona. It's pretty cool. Shaolin monk like me. We're at the Memorial area in Houston right now. Big Benihana here. Wow. This is a big Benihana's. Look at this. Look at how big this is. This is vast. Vast Benihana's. All around, man. Yay. Good choice. This is better than also unsweet tea.
Right.
Both, yeah.
Is one cup, or is she gonna share with
Are you
you?
gonna? No.
Oh, I'm
Just me.
gonna
Just me.
use that then.
Yes.
My tea is,
Hot sake on the grill. Yeah. Sensei Tony is here.
How about you got white steak, medium rare with chicken fried rice? Teriyaki chicken with chicken fried rice?
Okay, I'm gonna shut the camera off. Sensei Tony Sensei, about to begin the chefery. All right, be yourself. Okay, we spraying something. Okay. All right, cleanliness first. Yeah, Benihanas.
Japanese chicken.
Hey. Time, baby. Tony Sensei. Nice. Yeah. Yeah. Nice.
That's all I know.
Arigato. Hi. Otra vez? No, just kidding. Wow, look at that. Love it. Chicken. That's hilarious. Egg roll. The egg was rolling, 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 rolling. Here we go and rolling. Tony Sensei cooking at Benihana. Oh yeah. Woo. Oh yeah. Hallelujah.
The chicken is still alive.
Oh yeah.
Chicken and
Chicken.
mom and the best.
Nice, huh?
That's my question. That's my question.
Nice. Look at that guy go. Oh yeah. Bien. Muy bien. Wow. Oh, mix it. That's the chicken fried rice. Nice. Very nice. That's mine coming up. Salt, baby.
Sea pepper.
CC. Look at that. Custom designed chicken fried rice. Sea salt.
Ice cream.
Ice cream. There's ice cream in there.
Ice cream in the rice.
How do you know that? Oh, it's butter, huh?
She won't hit before.
I believe whatever you say. Oh, so good. Wow. Okay. Show you. That's awesome, dude. I love fried rice. Oh, there's my fried rice. Sensei is gonna do the volcano. Whee! Here we go, volcano, baby. Yeah! Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo! Onion rings, volcano. Woo! Yeah! Oh yeah! I got this on camera, man. Woo! Be yourself, people. Be yourself. All right, those are my shrimp before Tony Sensei cooks it. American shrimp.
Japanese shrimp.
Japanese shrimp.
Yes, sir.
Woo! Yeah. Hey, Dean Kirkbride in Australia. Maybe you're watching this right now. This is how we do Japanese food in America, in Texas. Yeah. Oh, are you speaking Japanese to him? Watch this, watch this. Woo! It went on his head. Whoa! 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 This is where all my shrimp went through before it comes on my plate. It's so fun, man. Benihana is so fun. Hi! Arigato. Beautiful, those steaks with those all filet mignon. Wow. Oh no, that's a filet mignon. Sorry,
Yeah,
that's regular
filet mignon
steak. Filet mignon,
New
right?
York strip.
That's a New York strip.
Yes, sir.
My bad, my bad.
Oh, you can.
Oh. Yeah. Wow. Woo! Beautiful, beautiful. Look at that, look at that. Not like Brendan. Look at that, look at that. Oh my gosh, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Brendan Maloney, oh my god, this is great. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, man. Brendan! I know you watch. Brendan Maloney. On my plate. Yeah. Good for him. Ooh, nice. Okay, guys, I'm going to go eat now. So, and man, if you have a Benihana's in your area, dang, that's a great way to be yourself and enjoy the amazing performers that can cook as well. So, remember to be yourself.
Adios and aloha from Texas. Candid Travels Texas. Remember, see Right in Plain Sight 2020 on Vimeo On Demand. Please check that out. Lovingly Stone Productions. Also, Venice Nights is available. And Dr. Stone's Breathing. Okay? Oh yeah! Happy birthday song in the background. Is done. Samurai treat. Samurai treat. That's what I ordered. Oh yeah. Filet mignon, medium rare. And shrimp, baby. Bon appetit. Arigato gozaimasu. Samurai treat. Benihana. Soga. Aloha from Texas. Arigato.